all about the culture. You wanna be a part of this, you gotta know the art of this, you know? Lay her in the front yard when she finna get bathed. Smile when the sunshine, get the pigment to change. Switch it at the light to make a pig get enraged. And tip it with a slow dip like I'm in a parade.
Yeah, hop out and wipe the D's off with the bandana. LA flags on dual antennas. Swear my shit clean as BG Santana. Fifth wheel got the lack with more ass than Atlanta.
Do smack.
What up?
Let me borrow the tray today.
With sauce is sauce, bro. You know the way we play. Plus, if you break something, know your cake is straight.
About to hit the streets like Denzel with training day.
Faggot with your elbow hanging out the window.
Serving everything from a lack to a benzo.
That's how the G's did it, super clean and hot with it. Fresh at the toe, 4 pumps with the knock.
Hit hard down so I can pick day one up. While y'all on them, pimp, they on us. When your card is clean, trust they gon' lust. If I let her hit the switch, prop they gon' bust.
On that outlaw shit, tryna make baby flip. Powder coated spokes, no pain on the lips. I'ma probably be your old man on the switch. In the wheelchair, still make a stand in this bitch.
I've been waiting for this moment since die high. When I pull up, I ain't giving up high fives. Catch me right on threes when I ride.
I've been waiting on this moment since die high. 2 or 3 licks and I'm kissing them bye-bye. I ain't just rapping about this, I pull up like I'm looking for trouble. In a 61 bubble, hot as a motherfucker with the rumbles. Buzzing like a bumble, sagging with a stumble. Jack on my breath, 10 racks in a bundle.
Drop it while I'm swerving, knocking the bottom of it on purpose. Anybody decide to hop against me, it's curtains. Pull up sloppy with a thought, bitch, you get nervous. Nigga, just stop it, you not meant for this circuit.
Yeah, fuck chillin', I came to swang nose up. Any nigga tippin' gon' hate that he drove up. Fuck that quarter from the dough with it on one. Make 4 switches look like 10 plus 6 up.
Cranberry 6 with an African chick. Since little kids, we was fans of these whips. I'ma probably be an old man on the switch. In a wheelchair, still make a stand in this bitch. I've been waiting for this moment since die high. When I pull up, I ain't giving up high fives. Catch me right on threes when I ride.
I've been waiting on this moment since die high. 2 or 3 licks and I'm kissing them bye-bye. I ain't just rapping about this, it's my life.